You want to say hi? Hi. You want to sing a song? You want to sing Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star?
No.
Itsy Bitsy Spider?
No.
Itsy Bitsy Spider. Oh, you silly Bill. Go to the wedding bell.
No.
Here's the
No.
To the pears and the apple trees.
Here's to the lovely, lovely.
Fire.
You're smiling. Yes, you are. You're smiling at the camera. What do you got?
Tuck.
Chalk?
Fire.
Yeah. You can't see no Benjamin. You got to stay on that side of the camera. Yeah.
Fire.
You want to say hi?
Hi, Grandma. Hi, Cashew. Hi, Grandma. Hi, Cashew.
Don't put the chalk in. No, no, no.
Take the chalk. No. No.
Well, if you look, you're going to see Mommy. Do you see Mommy? Grandma and Gracia will send this to them. And in a couple weeks, we'll see them in person.
See Mama and Grandma.
You want to see Mama? Hello. Hi.